Narrator, want to chat with your friends in Roblox on your phone? Let's do it in 60 seconds. Narrator, first, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Narrator, tap a game you like, then hit the green play button to join. Narrator, once you're inside the game, look for the chat icon at the top of the screen. Narrator, on most devices, it looks like a speech bubble. Tap it to open chat. Narrator, boom! Your chat window pops up at the bottom of the screen. Narrator, tap inside the text box, and your keyboard will appear. Narrator, type your message, like "Hi guys," or "Let's team up." Narrator, hit the send button or press the return key to send your chat. Narrator, want to chat only with friends? Look for the settings or gear icon in the app. Narrator, in privacy or chat settings, you can choose who can chat with you, everyone, friends, or no one. Narrator, save your settings and jump back in. Now you know how to chat with friends in Roblox on mobile.